This recipe for creamy garlic chicken is super easy to make and it pairs great with your favorite side dish. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share lots of my family's favorite recipes that are simple and easy to cook, like this one. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can whip up something together a couple times a week. I have 2 large chicken breasts here that I'm going to butterfly. This simply means that I'm going to take my knife and slice it through the middle into a larger butterfly-shaped piece of chicken. This simple tip literally slashes the cooking time of your chicken breast in half, so it makes dinners like this one a breeze to make. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate simple tips like that one in your videos. I'll make sure to add them for you. Now, next, I'm going to season my chicken, but first, I'm gonna take some paper towels and pat the chicken breast dry. This absorbs any of the moisture and it gives your chicken that crisp golden sear that you love. And now I'm gonna season the chicken breast with salt and some pepper. Salt is essential if you want juicy chicken breast because it retains the moisture and it makes it taste so much better. You also want to do that on the other side, equal love. Here I'm heating up a pan on medium-high heat and I'm going to add some oil and a little bit of butter. And I'm going to place my chicken breast in the pan where I want them to cook. By the way, I'm cooking my chicken breast uncovered. If your pan is splattering all over the place, you can put a lid, but make sure that it's open so the steam can come out. I like to cook the first side of butterfly chicken breast for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them over using a fork and cook the other side for another 4 minutes. Look how beautiful golden that sear. If you're ever wondering if your chicken breasts are ready other than they look golden and perfect, you're gonna take a meat thermometer and poke it through the thickest part. It should read at least 165 Fahrenheit, and these are ready to go. So I'm gonna take them out of the pan, right onto a clean plate and leave them here. I'm also gonna leave all the chicken juices and tidbits in my pan because that's gonna add so much flavor to my sauce. To my tidbits, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter right in my pan, and I'm also gonna add some whole garlic cloves. This is gonna lift those flavorful bits from the chicken and saute the garlic. I'm also gonna toast my herbs, which is rosemary. If you don't have rosemary, you can use Italian seasoning. I like to toast them in the butter so it gives it flavor to the entire sauce and the leaves aren't dry. Now let's add some chicken broth. Stir it around. And now that our chicken broth is simmering, I'm going to add my warmed half and half or heavy cream. You want to warm it so it doesn't curdle on you when you make your sauce. Keep stirring. And now I'm just gonna simmer this creamy sauce for about 3 minutes or so until it's kind of a little thicker. And then I'm going to add my cooked chicken breast back into the pan to, one, heat them up, but also so they can absorb the flavor of this creamy and delicious sauce. And you also want to add the juices from the plate. Now I'm going to reduce the heat and cover my pan and keep cooking this for about a minute or 2 just so I can clean up. And I usually serve this with my favorite sides. I'm going to leave a few for you below this video. Ooh, check this out. Smells incredible. It's so juicy, it tastes so good. The recipe's gonna be right below this video. And if you love garlic chicken, check out this next recipe. See you next time.